Good morning, friends. We have a POA signing at the hospital today. And being at the hospital, as far as like parking goes, is atrocious. There's definitely not enough visitor parking for people who are attending the hospital. It's crazy, but this should be a quick one. Let's see. Got a last minute notary appointment today. We had the POA this morning, and then I just came from basically some like extra documents, like the compliance agreement, signature affidavit, first payment letter, the note. I'm not sure what happened on the first signing, but we had to sign those documents today. And I'm in Newark, and as an agent, I'm here pretty often, but I'm not here to like in this part of Newark. Very different. Your girl was shooketh. People were like making multiple loops around my car. There was like a corner bodega store type situation. People was hanging out there, and it was just giving like I'm not trying to be here like when it gets dark vibes. What was it? We had I'm not fluent in Spanish. I can understand, I can say certain words. I definitely can't explain loan documents. So there was someone there to, help translate what I'm saying and whatever we had done. So we're coming outside. He's like, "You ever been to the hood?" I'm like, I've definitely like been in different parts of Newark because one of my clients were like looking in this area, and I'm under contract for a property in Newark, but not over here. Your girl was, again, shooketh. But now I am on my way to Weehawken to do my last signing of the day. Okay. I have no idea what this is. I always ask if there's something special I need to know about where I'm going, and I was told no. Yet I think this is where the address is. This is gonna be fun. Apparently, these are the stairs. Not any better though. That was a brutal, and F my GPS for not bringing me up the street. Like, you can clearly drive up the street, yet it has me down the hill. I'm on the other side of the house where the backyard was, which is diabolical. But I got some steps in today, leg workout. Now to drop off these dogs and go home. I have open houses tomorrow, so this is stuck to my lip, but the usual. If you're looking to buy, come check it out. If you know somebody who's looking to buy, send them my way. Have a good day. All right, bye. Before I go, for reference, I am parked down here on this street and the house is over here. Why would my GPS leave me down there when I had to be up here? Diabolical. All right, bye now.